Hello everybody, welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Jamaican Guinness punch, my style, how I like to make my one. There's a lot of different versions of this punch, but I like mine with the oats, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing that today. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our videos so that you can get more contents, and if you like to leave a comment, leave a comment. Right, our ingredients for today are: we've got milk, we've got vanilla, we've got sweet milk or condensed milk, we've got mighty malt, we've got some Jamaican overproof rum, we've got nourishment, we've got Guinness, we've got some oats, and we've got some nutmeg. So we've got our blender. So into our blender we're going to put some of our oats. And then we're going to top that up with our milk. Then we're going to just blend this out. So we're just going to blend this out. Right, so that's our oats and some milk blended out. And we've got our jug and we've got a whisk. So we're just going to take this now. And we're going to pour this into our jug. I'm going to put a little bit more milk in this just to rinse it out a bit. Right, into this now we're going to add our Guinness. So this is a tin of Guinness. And then we're going to add our sweet milk to this now. Just about half a tin of sweet milk. If you want to sweeten it more, you can sweeten it more afterwards. So then we're going to whisk that through. If you're going to be asking questions about this whisk, I've had this whisk for quite a while now. I don't know if they still do them, but this is a lot quicker than using the other traditional whisk. So we've beaten that in for a bit. So we're going to grate some nutmeg into this now. Then we're going to have 2 capfuls of vanilla. I'm just going to give that a quick twist. Then we're going to add our tin of mighty malt. And we're going to add a tin of nourishment. This is a strawberry flavour one what I'm using. You can use vanilla. I'm not sure, or we've got the original one. I'm not sure what other flavours they've got. Or you can put Slappergen in it if you've got Slappergen. Or they do another brand which is called Nish. Nish, you can use that. Then I'm going to put in 2 capfuls of Ray and Nephew. I'm going to just give that another whisk through. So we've whisked everything through. So I'm just going to pour out a glass just to show you what it looks like. Please remember, if you like our videos, to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. So there I have it for you. The Guinness Punch, my style, how I like it. Thank you for watching this video.